Hello everyone, my name is Ngozi Ogayin. I'm a pharmacist by profession and also an independent distributor of Kangen water. Water is very essential in life. It refreshes, it nourishes, and brings the essentials of what we are today. But right now, I'm going to introduce to you what we call Kangen water. Coming out from this machine is an alkaline water. Alkaline water that actually revitalize, restore, and replenish the cell. And this I will show you every other benefit from the what we have in alkaline water. So I'm in a school or in a group of schools that says that we should be drinking water. We should have water that hydrolyzes us very well. And at the same time, we should take water that is alkaline in nature. And that's why I'm introducing to you alkaline water, which is called the Kangen water. We have people that come down with so many sicknesses, and sicknesses actually come from the bottom root of the acidosis. But with this Kangen water, it alkalizes the cell, which it also alkalizes the body. So we look at those that have so many testimony talking about the sicknesses from as low as high blood pressure to cholesterol and even to cancer. But what alkaline water can do is to join hands with other therapy to bring about the replacement and restoring of cell in the body. And we have so many testimony concerning this alkaline water from those who are doing very well coming out of cancer, being a cancer survivor. Kangen water have contributed to that. We have people that have come out also with having high blood pressure, able to stabilize their pressure. Kangen water has contributed to that, and I want you to know that more information will come up in Kangen water, and we want you to have a link that will give you other benefits concerning this Kangen water. Come along and listen and hear from us. Thank you.